Intuit has changed the layout of how QuickBooks looks. If you don't have it yet, you'll likely have it soon. In this video, I just want to show you where your bookmarks went and how to add bookmarks. So to answer the first question, on the left-hand side of your screen, if you previously had bookmarks, they still exist, except for now you need to hover over them for those bookmarks to appear. If you want to add a bookmark to your bookmark list, you can go to My Apps on the left, and then find something that you might want to bookmark. So let's bookmark the Customer Hub overview. All I need to do is just click on the little bookmark looking thing to the right of overview, and now it will appear in my bookmark list. If I want to change anything, I can click on the pencil. I can rearrange them by clicking on the cheese grater looking things, and then also I can find more things to bookmark. So I can click whatever I want and bookmark it. It'll then appear at the top as a bookmarked item. Interestingly, I was able to bookmark 2 contractors. Not really sure how those are different, but we'll check on that later. I'm going to go ahead and select Save. Something that I like is that on the left-hand side, there's Pinned, which was effectively the bookmarks that we had last week, or at least I had last week. I wish that I could just have my bookmarks appear without all the extra clicking. But let me show you what happens when we click on Customize. When I click on Customized, I can see these things that I can pin. So Customer Hub is a pinnable thing. Oh, I thought it was pinnable. It has a little slash saying no pinning. Maybe, oh, I can only pin at most 3 things. Well, that's pretty terrible. Okay, so my real advice to you, if you're a person who likes having and using bookmarks, is just to bookmark whatever it is that you're using in your internet browser. So have the bookmarks bar across the top of your screen. It'll take you to whatever you want within your QuickBooks as long as you're signed into QuickBooks. I don't generally have a bookmarks bar displayed when I make these videos, but I just turned it on. Let me show you what I mean. I'll go ahead and click on Bills. It's just going to take me directly to the Bills section in my QuickBooks. Anything that you want, click on the little star and bookmark it. Worst case is it doesn't do any good, and best case it does good and you're able to get to stuff faster. Okay, thanks. That's all I've got for you. Any comments, just leave them below. Thank you. Bye.